Action as a Member of Parliament, Derrell James has laid a charge of intimidation against Sports, Arts and Culture Minister Gayson Mackenzie, escalating tensions between the two following controversial remarks made during a recent Facebook Live broadcast. The case was opened at Cape Town Central Police Station, where James said the minister's comments left her feeling exposed and threatened. In the broadcast, Mackenzie appeared to reference ongoing scrutiny involving his name, stating, "Let Derrell and Kurt have a good time with my name. The road is long. I am 24/7 with security." James argues that such remarks particularly emphasizes on his security, carry implicit intimidation, and that when a minister tells the public he is surrounded by security, it sends a message. It places me in a vulnerable position. The dispute unfolds against the backdrop of James' parliamentary work, where she says she has been probing allegations linking Mackenzie and his associates to criminal networks in the Western Cape. While stressing that these claims remain unproven, she maintains that her role obliges her to investigate them. As that we are not saying these allegations are true, but we are saying they must be investigated thoroughly. James also used the moment to express frustration with President Cyril Ramaphosa, saying she has little confidence in executive intervention. She cited previous controversies involving Police Minister Senzo Mchunu and senior police official Shadrack Sibiya as examples where, in her view, accountability has been lacking, and said, "I think it will be naive to expect action now," adding that both the public representatives and citizens must take a stand against intimidation. Meanwhile, Patriotic Alliance, led by Mackenzie, has pushed back strongly. The party confirmed it has filed a formal complaint against James with Parliament's Joint Committee on Ethics and Members' Interest. AA spokesperson Steve Modale said the minister's remarks had been misinterpreted and taken out of context. According to the party, references to his security detail and the phrase "the road is long" were meant to dismiss what he described as baseless allegations, not to threaten. Mackenzie has also publicly denied any intent to intimidate, stating, "I will defend all women. I will never threaten any woman." The PA further questioned James' claims, pointing to what it described as previously cordial interactions between the two in Parliament, suggesting these contradict her assertions of feeling threatened. With both a criminal case and an ethics complaint now in motion, the matter is set to be tested through legal and parliamentary processes, highlighting deepening political friction and raising broader questions about accountability, rhetoric, and the limits of political speech in South Africa's charged landscape.
Let Derrell and Kurt have a good time with my name. A very good time. Let them have a good time with my name. It's okay. Die pad is lang. Die pad is lang. I am 24/7 with security. Outside my house now, there's security. So I want to put it out here. See, I don't come sideways, but I know who's behind Kurt. It's fine. Enjoy my name. Do what you want to do.
What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.